Hello, I'm Daniela. I wanted to introduce a slow stitching workshop for 2023 that's called Stitch With Me in 2023. It's an online workshop where in the beginning of the month I'll post a class according to my schedule, so either on a Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, whichever coincides with the first of the month or the closest to it that we can get, and I'll post the prompt. And from there you have the whole month to work on your prompt before the next one is released. We'll start in the beginning of the month, and then I'll show you how to bind the book. The book is bound with paper instead of fabric. Now, if you wanted to do it with fabric, if you're a purist and you want to just use fabric, go right ahead. But this technique of using paper makes it very simple and very easy to work with. So simple, in fact, that we're going to use 3x5 cards. We'll just use about 20 3x5 cards, both to adhere the work to the pages as well as the spine. And in the next video, I'll show you how I create that structure for the book. It's really simple and fun and uses tools that you have on hand. From there, we'll start with the prompts each month. Now, the prompts are not big. They fit on a 3x5 card. And we'll actually whittle that card down, so we're only using about 3x4 inches on that space. You could make the page as large as you want. You could even make it trail off of that page. There's no really hard, fast rules here. But each month we'll work on a little prompt, set it aside. I have a little wooden box that I keep all my work in, and then at the end of the year we'll bind it all together. The binding process is not difficult at all. We'll create our spine, attach our pages, stitch a few stitches just to hold it in place, and it's all done. This is a different take on a fabric book, actually a mixed media book, because it incorporates the paper with the fabric. The idea behind this book is it shows you a different binding, and it also gives us something to work on throughout the year. And the prompts will be very fun and unusual and unique, all new ones. So I hope you'll join me for the Stitch With Me in 2023. We'll use that hashtag on Instagram, and I've also set up a Facebook group, and I'll include the link below in case you'd like to join it. It's just a private group on Facebook for anybody who'd like to join and post their work throughout the year. That way we can all see your progress. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe.